Hello friends! Welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the Snapchat camera shortcut directly on the locked screen of your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is a new feature that Snapchat recently introduced. This functionality allows you to access Snapchat with a single swipe directly from the locked screen, making sharing moments even faster and easier. Follow the steps below to learn how to optimize your phone for quick and easy use of the Snapchat camera. So, let's get started with the process. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store and check if you have the latest version of the Snapchat app. If you don't, update it. Once you're done with that, open your Snapchat app. After that, tap on your profile in the top left corner of the screen. When you're on your profile, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the lock screen shortcut option and tap on it. After you've done that, now tap the switch next to the lock screen shortcut option. Finally, tap the Done option in the top right corner and that's it. You can now open the Snapchat camera directly from the locked screen. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.